Hello friends, now we will see transformation formula second part, that is sin C plus sin D, cos C plus cos D, sin C minus sin D, cos C minus cos D. These four formula we will just discuss and we will see that it is very much different from compound angle formula. This is actually 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Very easy way to remember. I said you in the case of sine formula, all the formula you will see one sine and one cos, and that is following the rule. How this is coming out, you just see. Do you remember the formula sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equal to 2 sin A cos B? Was that? We just expand that, you will get this thing very easily. Now we have to derive this formula from where it is coming out. If I just take A plus B as C and A minus B as D, then solving them simultaneously, we are getting A is equal to C plus D by 2 and B we are getting C minus D by 2. You just add it up, B cancel out, 2A is equal to C plus D, so A is equal to C plus D by 2. Now substituting this value, this is coming out to be sine. For A plus B, I am writing C, and for A minus B, I am writing D, and this is coming out to be 2 into sine A. What we got the value A? C plus D by 2, and B is C minus D by 2. So be very careful that this formula sin C plus sin C is very much different from A plus B. What is the difference you see? Here one sign and another sign, two signs are there. Here just single sign is there with compound angle, single sign, here two signs. So never get confused with this formula and that formula. Apply wherever needed, wherever form is there in this form, you apply this in this form. So carefully identify which type of formula is this. This is the transformation formula. This is compound angle formula. Furthermore, we see sin C minus sin D. Can you make a guess? This is, I said you in the case of sine, one sine and one cos is there. So 2 sin C minus D by 2 into cos C plus D by 2. Very easy. This is formula number 2. Now if I just write cos C plus cos D, what is that? In the case of cos, either both the coses are together or both the sines are together. So it is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Very easy way to remember. And now final formula cos C minus cos D. This is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. Be careful here, D minus C by 2. Some people write it 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2 and put a minus sign here. So this can be written as 2 sin C plus D by 2, and if you take minus common, this is sin C minus D by 2. Anyway, you can remember this formula. These are very important four formula. You just learn this. Just see one example, one application of the formula we learned. I'm doing here sin 5A minus sin 3A divided by cos 5A plus cos 3A. We need to prove it is equal to tan A. See how we will approach. It is in the form of sin C minus sin D. So formula will be 2 sin C minus D by 2. That means 5A plus 5A minus 3A. 5a minus 3a c minus d by 2 into cos c plus d by 2, 5a plus 3a by 2, and here in the denominator it is cos c plus cos d. So this is 2 cos c plus d, that is 5a plus 3a by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, 5a minus 3a by 2. 2 is getting cancelled. Now it is sine, you see 5a minus 3a, 2a by 2 is sine a. And here it is cos 5a plus 3a, 8a by 2, 4a. And denominator is coming out to be cos 4a into cos a. You see 4a cancelled out. Sin a by cos a is tan a. Very simple way. Another example I am taking. This is sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x is equal to, we need to prove 4 cos x into cos 2x into sin 4x. We need to prove this thing is equal to that. So we have to proceed. We will just make a pair. If I am combining sin x with sin 7x, that means if I am writing this as sin x plus sin 7x together and sin 3x and sin 5x together, I am getting a pattern. What pattern I am getting? We know that x and 7x is giving us 8x, 3x and 5x is also giving us 8x. So in this way you make pair. You go for proper selection so that things will become easier. Now we apply the formula sin c plus sin d. This is 2 sin c plus d by 2, that means x plus 7x, 8x by 2, that is 4x, into cos c minus d by 2, x minus 7x minus 6x by 2 minus 3x, and cos minus 3x is just cos 3x. Here if I just go for, this is 2 sin c plus d, 8x by 2, 4x into cos c minus d, 3x minus 5x minus 2x by 2 is minus x, so just x, because cos minus theta is just cos theta. Now you just see the advantage of pairing. I paired this and this, this and this. This is giving us one thing common. So we will get the movement further. So if I just take 2 sin 4x common, I am left with cos 3x plus cos x. So further application is possible now. So this is 2 sin 4x, and if I just apply cos c plus cos d here, this is 2 cos c plus d by 2. That means 3x plus x, 4x by 2, that is 2x, into cos c minus d by 2, that is cos 3x minus x, 2x by 2 is just x. So this is coming out to be 4 cos x, cos 2x and sin 4x. We got the result. So just remember these basic formula, make a habit of proper pairing and proceed. Things will be easier, and all the time remember that sin c plus sin d is very much different from sin a plus b. Just distinguish this formula, transformation formula and compound angle formula, and carefully apply. Things will become easier for you. So for the time being, okay, bye bye.
If you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you.